Hello, this is Brad, Johnson Small Engines. Just want to give you a heads up on a Timecutter 1742Z that we're working on. Customer says it doesn't go straight. It wants to veer to one side. I'm going to show you how to adjust that. First thing is going to push the seat up, over. I also want to show him how to take off his cover here. It's not as easy as just unscrewing these guys, because that's what you do. You unscrew these guys here, but lifting it up doesn't work. You have to lift it up a little bit and then push it back. It's tricky sometimes. It's locked in and it comes off. It's got hooks on it that actually go into little slots right here. So this little hook area here is, you gotta be careful of. You'll break them if you just take them off. Okay, I'm gonna put a flashlight on it, but also I want to show you tools. The tools we need is a 13/16 socket, 7/16 wrench, which I'm using, 7/16 socket, and a 3/8 drive ratchet. You can work it however you want, whatever tools as far as 13/16 and 7/16 you use, that's fine. I'm also going to have a flashlight for the video purposes. So I'm going to come over, put a flashlight down here so you can see this on the other side. This will work a little better. Okay, so we have the concentric down here. I'm going to point out. It's right here, where the 7/16 wrench will go right here. Now you have to put one on the other side, or you got to get something on the other side underneath here that actually is a locking nut that you have to hold too. So you're going to loosen this up, okay? Then you're going to take your 13/16 socket, put it over concentric. There's actually it looks just like where a socket would fit. It does. And then the concentric here is a circular oval looking thing. It actually, when you turn it, it gets closer or further away from your paddle, which is your arm lever here. This silver paddle here, or the arm lever, it'll get it closer to it or further away. So when you go forward, it's going to stop your momentum. When you turn this one way or the other, it'll either stop it here, or you can turn it one way and it'll make you go a little bit faster. So what that does is that evens out the pulling left or pulling right, but you have to adjust it, get on it, drive it forward and see which way you're going, and then readjust it to get it perfect. And it takes some doing. It takes a few times. It usually takes me 6, 7, 8 times to get it right, but that's what you have to do. I definitely recommend when you loosen up the 7/16, don't loosen it all the way, because you want to have this concentric here. You want to have it snug, like pretty snug, so when you use the socket to turn that, with the wrench, with the ratchet, that you can turn it snugly so it doesn't move on you when you're trying to test it out. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, give me a shout, send me an email, and I appreciate you watching.